welcome back, babies. My name's Ryalyn. In this video I'm just sharing how I've been taking care of myself while I was feeling sick. Yes, I hope you enjoy. I love you. I've got Japanese sunscreen. It's like a lavender tone up thingy. So that's my skincare morning routine. Leave-in conditioner, water, a little bit of salt. Kind of my refresh spray. Now it just has to dry and then it's beautiful. Yay, so beautiful. Like, I'm not feeling my best because I'm recovering from sickness, but I'm just so grateful that I get to be here in nature on a couch and let nature heal me. And I know that's a luxury to many people, so I really just wanted to honor that and give my thanks to the world around me for being so beautiful and loving and being there for me when I need it. And whenever I'm in nature, I feel good. Like, even when I'm sick, I feel like the energies are being exchanged. There's something like flowing through me. So I feel all the vitality of the earth. I don't have to perform right now. I don't have to smile. Whatever comes up is okay. Even if nothing comes up, it's okay. It's okay, I've got you. I'm here. I'm here. I'm listening to you. I love you. You know that I love you. It's okay if you forget sometimes that I love you so deeply and fully. And I love even that part of you that forgets. It's okay, you don't have to decide right now. You can rest. We'll have breakfast very right after eating, I always try to get up and walk around and like move my body gently a little bit, because that's like very, very essential and good for metabolic health. It keeps your blood sugar levels stable, and these blood sugar spikes and crashes are what cause things like aging and energy crashes. All credits in this recipe go to my dear best friend, who is becoming a nutritionist. So I tried peeling the ginger root with a spoon, because I read somewhere that it's supposed to be easy, but I don't know if I agree. Yeah, she calls this her natural antibiotics, putting a lot of anti-inflammatory foods together and then letting them do their magic. Somehow whenever I'm working with fresh spices, I think about the poem The Cinnamon Peeler's Wife. This is kind of the magic ingredient, I would say. In the end, I also added a lot of lime juice because it tastes delicious. And then also honey when the tea was a little cooler, because you never want to add honey to the boiling water, or else all the nutrients kind of get lost. So for the past couple hours, I've just been working on some YouTube stuff. But I forgot to eat, and now I feel like I'm gonna faint. But I still have some porridge left, so I think I'll just eat that. Sometimes when you're not feeling well, I really do just need to sit or lay on the couch, watch TV and eat. ¿Cómo lo ves desde tu lugar?
¿Cómo lo ves desde tu lugar?
Spanish lesson. Yay! I wish I could go dancing. I have ballet lesson and it would start right now. I'm really sad I can't go. I feel like for me the hardest part about being sick but not feeling like extremely shitty where I can't move is actually resting. I got this from my Taiwanese aunt. Thank you. Then I go in with toner, the ceramides, think this is like to boost your skin barrier. So now I put face cream on to really lock in that hydration. Very important when you're sick to always clean your tongue. This is copper, it's supposed to be good. Muy importante. That's probably not a word. Anyway. For those juicy lips in the morning. Okay, my babies. I hope you feel better soon. And that you recover quickly. Take good care of yourself. Be gentle. You're inherently good and perfect. And I love you. Good night.